Let's take a look at how much money you could have potentially made from the video we posted on July 16, 2020. You would have made a huge return on your investment. If you had a trading account balance between $500 and $10,000, your profit would have been $400 to $9,000, more or less. This was a big trading opportunity. We made the prediction and posted the video before the move actually happened. We can see exactly when this video was posted. Here's a live video that shows this video was posted on Thursday, July 16, 2020. Therefore, you had plenty of time to take advantage of this opportunity. Only a few people saw the video we posted on Thursday. Therefore, the rest of you, looking to practice making money in the financial markets, missed a huge opportunity. This trade was going to double your money in the currency exchange market. Keep in mind we only recommend you use a practice account to exercise these trades. This will help you learn in order to become better at trading and investing before you risk real money in the market. Let's go back and review the original chart. We need to see why this trade did well. Take note of the lessons you may learn from this example. The original chart displays where the market was before the move occurred. We had plotted short-term buyers and sellers prices. This created a buy zone and a sell zone based on supply and demand. The prices represent where buyers were most interested in buying the Aussie USD currency pair. This is not based on simple support and resistance price lines. This is based on where institutions are actively buying and selling with their high-frequency trading algorithms. They make the most noise out there in the Forex market. Therefore, their trading does not occur without notice. If you know how to analyze the market properly, you'll be able to see when institutions are moving their money versus retail traders. Now, let us see what happened before the move actually occurred. We saw the market consolidating within a range, making even highs and lows. It creates a pattern. This is called a triple top, a chart pattern that may indicate the asset may no longer continue the uptrend. We don't believe in making trading decisions solely based on chart patterns. However, they may be worth taking a look. Most retail traders are going to end up trapped in the wrong position by only trading patterns. In this case, the triple top occurred but the asset continued to rally. We also see a bull flag pattern. This can indicate the asset may continue to rise after large buyers accumulate the asset. We saw this coming. However, we could not get the prediction video released soon enough due to our busy agenda. We were still able to help you capture most of the move before it actually happened. This would have been a great trading week for you. This is why you should support this channel. Watch our videos, push the like button, and subscribe. Show us you are interested in making money. This is all we ask of you.